This is a female chaffinch. The male has got a wee black mark just above the bill and on the head there, on the crown. She must be really hungry because even when other birds arrive, it doesn't put her off. The coal tit doesn't seem to faze her at all. I like the way she kind of chews the seeds and sort of spits the bits out. Oh, doesn't like the look of that spurdy. Just watch this defensive posture. See that? She crouches down. That's a defending territory sort of pose. And now we come to the gang. They don't need to worry about defending territory. They're just gonna muscle their way in here. They always feed in a big group like that, and they scatter the seed everywhere. They're so lovely and colourful, aren't they? And this is collared dove. Collared doves have only been in the UK since 1955. They just spread over from Europe. They weren't introduced. They live about 3 years. But they're actually in decline a little bit now because of disease, they reckon. And she's just crouching down a little bit as well, just in that defensive posture. And finally we have here some spurdies. I wanted to show you the difference between the male and the female. There's the male there in the middle. There he is on the left there. You see the black bib. And the female is going to arrive in a minute in the middle. There she is. Now she does not have a black bib. And finally we have that female just came back for a final drink on her own. They need some water to be able to wash down all that seeds.